Hi, Karen here. Today I will quickly show you how to foil using the Spellbinders Glimmer system. I turn on the power button and see that the top power indicator light is red. I wait for the platform ready indicator light, which is the second from the top, to turn green. This will let me know that the Glimmer platform is the perfect temperature to foil. While I'm waiting for the platform to heat up, I put the 3 Zodiac plates on the platform and line them up with the included guide sheet. Now that the second light is green, we are ready to foil. I push the timer button and wait for it to turn solid green. The timer button is solid green, so I place the white foil so that the back side is facing up. You want the foil side to be facing the same direction as the cardstock panel, so the foil will be on the surface of the cardstock. Add cardstock, the thin shim, and the spacer pad on top. Remove the platform and roll slowly through your Platinum 6. Watch how slowly I go. I always think to myself, super slow-mo when doing this. Going slow is key to a good foiling result. Okay, my favorite part, the reveal. I carefully remove my foil from my cardstock and the panel is ready to use. So there it is, foiling in just 2 minutes.